first thing I want to point out is if you're on the Tonara.com website and you're missing your purple buttons right here, it's because your screen is too small. You need to make the browser window wider. If you go even more, okay, looks like that. So I'm going to drag this and you'll see that the buttons start appearing again. If you've dragged it as far as it'll go and these buttons still aren't showing up, you need to check your zoom settings in your browser. Make sure it's at 100% or less, and that your screen resolution is at the default size or somewhere thereabouts. So try those things and those buttons should show up. I also wanted to show you what happens in Tonara Studio. So if your window isn't big enough, this is what Tonara Studio will look like. You'll have your list of one student here with all of your chats. Then if we make it a little bit bigger and even bigger and bigger, okay, now you see this. So there's so much information to fit on the screen on this Tonara Studio that it has to be this big or even bigger. It depends on your computer. So again, you would want to go into your zoom option here or check your screen resolution to make sure it's at default or smaller so that you can make sure that this all fit together on a page.